These are very advanced sim men. These ones in here are fully electronic. We have the ability to hook them up to monitors, and they'll give real live feedback as far as pulses go. They'll breathe. You'll see the rise and fall of the chest. If you were to listen to them, you could hear the heart rate. You could hear the lungs. At times during the scenario, we can make them talk. We can make them blink. We can make them look around. We can do all kinds of things with these guys. Being able to set them up for IV or IO access, doing these escherotomies, these are all things that we're able to do. So in this day and age, we try and make it as realistic as possible. And these sim men, they're very expensive, but they do a very good job at doing that. So yeah, the simulation tools that we have come a long way over the last decade, so it's really nice.